Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to my channel Shine with Pranoti. So guys, in today's video we are going to create a Indian wedding guest makeup look. So this is going to be a traditional look which you can wear whenever you are attending any wedding. So right now I do not have any makeup on my face. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to moisturize my face with the Ceratop moisturizer. Guys, now you must have seen this in many of my videos. I use this moisturizer because this is really nice and it gives very intense moisturizing. And what else do you want from a moisturizer? And next is coming primer, which is Swiss Beauty primer. You must have seen this in many videos, almost all my videos, because if I love a product, I'm going to use it for long. And this product is one of those products. I really love this primer. So guys, for today's base I'm going to use two shades. One is Maybelline New York, it is in the shade Natural, and the second BB cream that I'm going to use is BB Light Premium Skin Cream, and I'm going to mix this both. So the BB Light cream that I'm talking about has SPF 20F, so which is good factor. I just wanted to try mixing two BB creams. I just want to see how this turns out, and I think it's pretty nice. And then with the help of blending brush, I'm going to blend this all. This all. So for the concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York's concealer. The shade is Fair. So guys, basically I was never a concealer person at the beginning, but now I'm literally in love with concealer. When I started doing makeup, concealer was the last thing that I used to buy, because I never thought I need concealer, but these days I feel no, concealer is a must, not only for your under eye but also it helps to hide any sort of discoloration. So now to set the base, I'm gonna use loose powder. This is from Himalaya, and you can use any powder you have. So this is the baby powder. I literally love this Himalaya baby powder. It's very soft, and I'm just going to use a brush and just spread it evenly all over my face. And I think that is done. Yes, almost we're done. So guys, to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Oriflame. So this palette is there with me from long time. I have been not using this too much, so I decided to use it as my eyebrow filler. And guess what? This is looking really nice. I mean, yes, if you have any sort of eyeshadow palette which has neutral colors and you don't really like that, then you can always use it as your eyebrow filler. It will work really nice. You can see the difference, guys. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Color Show palette. This has so many colors, guys. So first I'm going to use a light shade to just cover up my crease, so that when I apply next few colors, that it's not going to look, what do you say that? It's going to look put together. So the first thing is I'm going to use a light shade and just cover my crease. So you need to apply 2 to 3 times so to get the desired color. So the next shade coming up is a little bit of dark brown shade. I'm gonna apply those on the outside of my eyelid. So basically when I do makeup, I feel that making your eyes is the most difficult thing, because you need to be very precise, and also you need to make sure that your both eyes are looking similar, which is kind of difficult. And if you're a beginner, then definitely it's the most hardest thing. So I'm doing the same thing on my this eye as well. So building up the color that you desire takes time. You need to apply a couple of times to achieve that look you are looking for. But girls, keep going. I'm gonna take a little bit of shimmery and a little bit darker. And I'm gonna apply those on the inner sides of my eyelid, and then with the help of a blending brush, I'm gonna mix this both colors together. I love blending. I literally love blending, because the way it turns out after blending is literally, I literally love it to see that. And the second important thing is matching with the first one. So this palette is really nice, guys. I mean, I ordered this recently, and the shades are very pigmented, and you don't really need to work too hard for blending. It's very easy and it's very pigmented. Work goes. So basically I'm very comfortable using pen eyeliners, and that's why I prefer using this one the most. Now coming up next for my blush, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Big Blusher and Highlighter palette. So this has 4 shades, and again this is very pigmented. Coming up next is a highlighter from Instant Glow. If you ask me one product that I want in my makeup kit, then it's definitely going to be a highlighter, because highlighter adds so much of glow on your face, and your face looks like literally sun-kissed. Just look at that glow. And next I'm gonna contour my nose. So the palette I'm using is the same palette which I used to fill my eyebrows, and I'm using the brown shade to just border my nose and just try to give it a little bit of nice and sharp shape, which I don't have naturally. While contouring nose, you need to make sure that the shade that you apply should not be on the bridge of your nose. You just need to border and then blend it. And after contouring, I'm just adding a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. So for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Hilary Rhoda HR lipstick in the shade 13. It's a matte lipstick. I'm not sure if I can find this lipstick online, but if I get it, I'm definitely gonna put it in the description box. Now the makeup is pretty much done. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sindoor. Since I don't have a sindoor, I'm gonna use my red liquid lipstick as sindoor. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post videos on skincare, haircare, makeup and many more. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel.